I got this water gate open in the barnyard. It's been going for like 5 minutes. Cows are coming in to eat. Silos are running. All coming in. All the calves are in the barn. Ooh. Scared me. Right up beside me, huh? I'm gonna step out. Didn't notice she was right beside me, and then she was right up beside me. Draining, and I'm gonna go feed with the 180. My grandpa got it out, so I'm watching this. Well, I'll show you all the calves while we're waiting here. Yesterday I counted 15 calves. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 back there. 11's laying on the ground. There's one out there. This one's drinking. This one's drinking. Excuse me, bear. Hold up, little man. We're running. The string was stuck in the bale. But yeah, cows are all in the barn because it just was raining, but some of these are nice. They'll let you pet them. I don't know. This one might get up. Hey, man. What up, bro? You're young. Come on, get up, man. Come on, dude. You're a nice little cow. Yeah. Nice to pet him. Oh, crap. I thought he was gonna get up on me. Nice little guy. That mama's little guy there's drinking. He's about maybe a week or 2 old. I gotta put this. I fell. You gotta hook it, and then you don't want to fall down that pit, y'all, because it takes it out to the pasture. Calves are hungry. Takes it straight out to the pasture. Yep, all the calves are in here, and then those are our feeder cows back there. Okay, what up? I ain't gonna go back down, a little scared. Come on. Put the board right here. Little buddy, what up? Come on. It's calf number 2 I got to pet. I'm gonna get out of here because they're mooing. We're feeding on the bunk and hold on. We have a brush right here to brush our bull. Don't buck me, dude. He's a Black Angus. Black Angus. He's pretty big. Ooh, where would you go? There's another cow in there. We forgot to band him. That's why he's in there with the bull. Yeah, we're just brushing Roy up. Big neck he got. Oh, them cows. Hold on, I have to put this brush back. Yep. We got a nail. It's hanged up in, and then we got them. And we got all these cows in here. Maybe a couple months old. That one right there is pretty big. And these cows are bigger. These are, once we get, in a couple months, whenever the calves out there are ready to come in here, these guys will come over here. And these cows in here weren't supposed to have babies, but we have a baby calf in here. It's probably laying down somewhere. You can't see it because there's this one cow right in its way. Come on. Yeah, I won't get to see it. All cows are in here. And there is an outside pen back there, but yep, we're gonna feed. There's one laying on the ground there.